The Knights who ended paganism. That, ladies and gentlemen, is the Teutonic Knights. The Order of the Brothers of the German House of St. Mary in Jerusalem were a group of knights who were originally founded in Jerusalem to protect and guard the pilgrims and passageway of the Holy Land. However, after the fall of the Outremer in the 13th century, they were then relocated in Germany and proceeded to form the vanguard spearhead to destroy the last remnants of paganism that held it in the Baltics. During this time, they fought against many people and amassed a great deal of territory. The most notable conflict came in 1411 when they fought the Kingdom of Polish-Lithuania, where they were dealt a devastating blow which they never recovered from. While most people believe that they actually ended in the year 1525, this is not correct. The Prussian conclave of the Teutonic Orders was actually ended when their Grand Duke converted to Lutheranism and gave all the church away to the Duchy of Brandenburg. However, the Teutonic Order still exists as today, with their final military acts culminating in actually the Second World War. Whereas now they continue to focus most on charitable duties, with the emphasis of defending and healing the sick, wounded, injured, and poor. How does one describe the Teutonic Knights?